Hello everyone, welcome to Red Shishan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium Schools. Today we are going to study subject Science and Technology Part 1. Lesson number 2, Periodic Classification of Elements, Standard 10, Video number 5. Now we are going to study the Newland's laws of octaves. The English scientist John Newland correlated the atomic masses of elements to their properties in a different way. He arranged the elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. It started with the lightest element hydrogen and ended up with the thorium. He found that every 8 element had properties similar to those of the first. For example, sodium is the 8 elements from lithium and both have similar properties. Also, magnesium shows similarity to beryllium and chlorine shows similarity with the fluorine. Newland compared this similarity with the octaves in the music. He called the similarity observed in the 8th and the first element as the law of octaves. Now we are going to study the Newland's octaves. This is the table. There is musical notes and the elements. The musical notes in Western music do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and in Indian music sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and then sa. So the H is the hydrogen is the first in sa, and the lithium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is also a sa. So hydrogen to fluorine. This is the octave. Then lithium to sodium, beryllium to magnesium, boron to aluminium, carbon to silicon, and the nitrogen to phosphorus, oxygen to sulfur, chlorine to cobalt and nickel, potassium to copper, calcium to Zn, etc. Now the limitations of the Newland octaves are occurs. These are Newlands could arrange 56 elements only up to calcium in an increasing order of their atomic masses. This arrangement started with the lightest element hydrogen and ended up with the thorium. Newland placed the metals cobalt and nickel under the note D along with the halogens, while Fe having similarity with cobalt and nickel. Away from them along with the non-metals oxygen and sulfur under the note Ti. The properties of the new elements discovered later did not fit in the Newland's laws of octaves. Then the next scientist put forth the theory of Mendeleev's periodic table. The scientist's name is Dmitry Mendeleev. Introduction to the scientist. This is the picture of the scientist Dmitry Mendeleev. In 1834 to 1907 was a professor in the St. Petersburg University. He made a separate card for every known element showing its atomic mass. He arranged the cards in accordance with the atomic masses and properties of the elements, which resulted in the invention of the periodic table of elements. Now we are going to study the Mendeleev's periodic table. The most important step in the classification of element in Mendeleev's periodic table is the fundamental property of elements, namely the atomic mass. As a standard, he arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Then he transferred transformed these into the periodic table of elements according to their physical and chemical properties. Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. Then Mendeleev's periodic law. The elements with physical and chemical properties are a periodic function of their atomic masses. The vertical columns in the periodic table are called as groups, while the horizontal rows are called the periods. Now we are going to study the Mendeleev's periodic table. This is the Mendeleev's periodic table. There is a vertical columns are called as groups and the horizontal rows are called as periods. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, Group 5, Group 6, Group 7 and Group 8. These are the 8 groups and there are columns are called as rows are called as periods. Then the hydrogen is placed in the period 1, group 1 and with their atomic mass. Then the second period is the lithium. In this second period there is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, etc. in the increasing order of the atomic masses. Then the vacant places are seen in the Mendeleev's periodic table, and the question marks and dash are also seen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Then the general molecular formula of compound shown as R2O, R2O3, etc. in the upper part of the Mendeleev's periodic table. We are seen in this Mendeleev's periodic table. There is in upper part R2O, RO, R2O3, RH4, RO2, RH3, R2O5, then RH2, RO3, RH, R2O7 and RO4. These are the general molecular formulae of the compounds in the upper part of the Mendeleev's periodic table are written as R2O, R2O3. This is 2 is in a base, etc. in the present system. Let us study about the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. To give the proper place in the periodic table, atomic masses of some elements were revised in accordance with their properties. For example, the previously determined atomic mass of beryllium is 14.9 was changed to the correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before the boron. Then the next, Mendeleev had kept some vacant places in the periodic table for elements that were yet to be discovered. 3 of these unknown elements were given the names Ica boron, Ica aluminum and Ica silicon from the known neighbors, and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68 and 72 respectively. Their properties were also predicted. Later on, these elements were discovered subsequently and were named as scandium, gallium and germanium respectively. The properties of these elements matched well with those predicted by the Mendeleev. Due to this success, all were convinced about the importance of Mendeleev's periodic table. Then the third, when noble gases such as helium, neon and argon were discovered, Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table, in which the noble gases were placed very well. Now we are going to learn about the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. The element cobalt and nickel have the same whole number atomic mass. As a result, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequences in Mendeleev's periodic table. Isotopes were discovered long time after a Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. A challenge was posed in placing isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table, as isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses. The rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform when elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses. It was not possible, therefore, to predict the number of elements that could be discovered between the two heavy elements. position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with the halogen, group 7. It is difficult to decide the correct position of hydrogen, whether it is the group of alkali metals, group 1, or in the group of halogens, group 7. These are the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Thank you.